Hello guys, today videos I'm going to talk about the graphic issues error while you installing. So how you can fix this. It's very simple, easy process as well. So I just want to show you the first things you want to do is go to device manager. Okay, once you go there, you want to right click that you want to extend the device display adapter, and just want to right click that. Once you right click, there's an update driver. Okay, you want to click the browse my computer driver software. Once you click that, let me pick my list. Once you click this, the Intel R USD driver, you want to click that and hit next. Once you hit that, your driver will automatically update it. So hope this video helped. If you have any questions or comments, leave below, and thank you for watching video.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face.